Hello everyone, it's the missus here, and today I am doing duck harvesting. And so we have a nice little handy dandy tool that I want to share with you guys and see if it's going to help us out as far as harvesting our ducks, making the process a bit quicker, and it's a defeatherer. So without further ado, let's get to it. Wild Rose Haven Homesteading. All right everyone, so today we're going to be harvesting, starting out with the muscovy. And I don't know if any of you guys know, but this is Carlos Fandago. And yes, he had to get harvested today, so we are grateful for being able to do this with him. And anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and start with the tail feathers first, pull those off, and then I'm going to use this machine because I just feel like, and the wing feathers. So let me go ahead and get those out of the way. And it was really hard as far as trying to get this temperature right. I probably could have left him in there just a little bit longer, but for some reason his tail feathers were just giving me a hard time. Now for you, those of you that are a bit more artsy crafty, then you're gonna you might want to save some of these muscovy feathers. They're really pretty. I'm gonna get these big feathers out of the way. Ouch. And also remember with the muscovies, they have this little claw right here at the tip of their wing. So, yeah, I almost forgot about that. So just to remind you. Okay, so let me go ahead and get the rest of these feathers off, and I'll be right back. And we'll use the machine, the defeather machine, to get the rest of them. All right, so I heard that when you use this, some of the complaints that I got from it was that it would get all over you. So I'm going to be a little bit prepared for the situation. Hold on. All right, y'all ready for this? I'm prepared. I think I am. So we're going to find out if it actually goes splattering everywhere. So I'm covered for the most part, and I just want to make sure it doesn't get in my eyes and all that crap. So let's get this party going. Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh, good Lord. Not bad. Oh, feathers are flying. Oh, it's going everywhere. Oh my Lord. Well, I guess I need to dip them some more. I thought it was enough. Okay, good news is that it does work. Bad news is that I actually didn't get them. I mean, if I finger pull, it's fine, except for the. So I guess I need to just dip them a little bit more. And now I have to be careful. Yeah, when I finger pull, it's fine. But on the other side here, where I was finger pulling earlier, I kind of tore into them a little bit because I thought, yeah, see, he's they're molting out right now. So that's what I thought why it was ready. But apparently you need to go just a little bit more, and not all of it was ready. So let me go ahead and dip them just one more time, and then we can continue on. But it looks like so far, that's not bad. I'm not mad at it. However, feathers are everywhere. Okay, so I'm back. So I think the key is that you have to make sure like you can just barely pull them like that and see if that works. All right, well, it's quicker than doing it all by hand, for sure. But apparently I got to get this temperature right. There's just some little pockets here where it just doesn't want to, the water's just not getting to it. Like it's just insistent right here. But I can finger pull. But you can see still, like, it's kind of dry right there. So that's not bad. Considering they got most of it off. So I think all I need to do is just try to get this temperature right and just dip them a little bit longer, maybe. But I'm not too mad at it. I think it's something that is definitely useful for you and will help speed up the process as far as harvesting your bird is concerned. Oh. Oh, can you see me now? Okay. I don't even know if you're able to see any of that. Oh, so I put all of this on, but look, see here? It's all flew that way. It all flew that way. Just feathers everywhere. All right, y'all. So there it is. I have to say, I just asked Mr. Rose like how long it took for me to do this. Normally when I do this, it takes about an hour for me just to defeather them. And this time it only took like what? To get to this point? Probably, we'll say 10, 15 minutes. I think it's supposed to take about 5 minutes is what it states on the description. And I think if I got the temperature just right and all of that and had so the feathers were able to pull out easier, then it probably only took about 5 minutes to get to this point. But I tell you, I am still really happy about being here. So, within the amount of time, because that's really drastically reduced my processing time as far as our ducks are concerned, especially right now, because we really need to get a few of our ducks harvested. So kind of excited about this because it has made this harvesting job a lot quicker. So yes, as far as I'm concerned, you know, it's really nice. It didn't hurt, it didn't bruise the meat at all by using it, and it didn't hurt my hand either. So just in case any of you thought it might, you know, be something that might be a little bit too aggressive on your skin as well. It was not at all. So that won't deter you from trying to use it. But I'm not mad at it. All right. So as far as I'm concerned, we'll just see how long it lasts. But other than that, they do have replaceable fingers as well. So, you know, that's something that you don't have to worry about the poor part here, which is just basically a big drill bit. Okay. So this right here, the drill bit finger plucker, feathering depulucker, I give it a thumbs up. I might even give it a thumb and a half, except for the fact that it leaves this big trail behind it of devastation. Other than that, you do have to wear something on your face. I did take off I just have my goggles on, just because I didn't want to get anything in my eyes. Just to be careful. And yeah, it does do a little bit more spraying. If you have a chance to go ahead and let it drip most of the water out first, before you start trying to defeather it, that would help, because then you don't have to worry about getting sprayed from the water. Other than that, that's what happened on my first experience with it. We'll see later on if I decide to share an update with you on how well if I figured it out, a better method, I will share that with you. Why am I doing this? Because this is how it's rolling today. Okay, you guys, so thank you so much for checking in with me and seeing how we are doing on our harvesting updates. This is a new tool that I think would be really helpful for any of you out there, especially us newbie homesteaders like ourselves. Well, we're kind of newbies, but hey, anyway, we'll see you on the next one. Bye!
Y'all come back to Wild Rose Haven, where we're doing it our